Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag is here to save the day. This incredible little Bluetooth tracker makes finding your most valuable items easier than ever, especially with the convenient 4-pack. What truly sets AirTag apart is precision finding, using ultra-wideband technology, guiding you directly to your misplaced item with remarkable accuracy. Imagine seeing the exact distance and direction on your iPhone screen. No more guessing games in cluttered spaces. Getting started is a breeze. A simple one-tap setup instantly pairs AirTag with your iPhone, getting you tracking in seconds. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, you can rest easy knowing your AirTag can handle spills and adventures without a hitch. It's not just a tracker, it's peace of mind, seamlessly integrated into your Apple ecosystem, making it the best electronic solution for item location. Ready to stop the endless search? You can grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack right now through the link in the description below. This essential device locator is a small investment for huge relief, ensuring you always know where your important belongings are. Don't wait. Make losing things a thing of the past and secure your AirTags today.